Hey everyone, do you want to write code instantly right inside VS Code? Let me show you how to use Roo Code, your online coding playground. So first of all, you have to go to the extensions tab, and then here in search place you have to write Roo Code, and you'll see suggestions below. You have to select this first one, Roo Code Extension, and as I've already installed it, so you have to just click on install, and the Roo Code will be installed on your PC. So after installing it, let's say it's installed on my PC, so you have to just click on install button here. Okay, it will be installed, and after installing it you have to come here, and then you have to click on Roo Code. Okay, so when you click on Roo Code, you will see something like this. Okay, so first of all, we have to just add the API keys to make it run. Okay, so first of all, you have to go to this settings bar if it's not already opened, and from here this configuration profile will be like this default. Okay, and API provider, it will be OpenRouter. Okay, so from this drop down, from all these you have to select this OpenRouter. Okay, so using OpenRouter we can use any model to generate codes. So after selecting OpenRouter, you have to insert here OpenRouter API key. So I've already inserted it, and I'll let you know how you can insert it as well. So go to Chrome, and then here you have to search for OpenRouter API, and you have to open this first website. And here first you have to create account. Okay, so let me create account first. So as you can see, it's now signed in. You have to click here and then click on keys, and after clicking here you can create a new key by clicking here create key, and then you can give it a name like test key, and then you have to click here create. Okay, like I've clicked here, and now I got the key. You have to just copy the key, come here on the VS Code, and in this place you have to paste it. Okay, after placing it, now after you have to you don't have to do anything here. Okay, it will be by default like this. So after this you have to select a model. Okay, which model you want to use to generate the code. Okay, so now I'm telling you the free model you can use to generate code. Okay, it's free, so there are just limited prompts you can give it, but they're a lot for a day. Okay, they will be renewed again next day. So in this model, you have a model search bar. You have to search for this model DeepSeek Chat V3 0324, and this free version. So okay, this is the free version of DeepSeek which you can use. It will be free, no cost. Okay, so there are some limitations for this because it will not be able to export images. Like you will not be able to give it images to generate code, and it will not be able to use computer, and it will not be able to support prompt caching, but it's okay for us. So this is just the setup. You have to click on save and then done button, and then come here. Okay, just click on this is also the icon of Roo Code. Okay, just click on Roo Code here, and you can see this is the place where you can give it prompt. Okay, let's give it a prompt to create a login page. I need code to create a login page. Okay, let's see. So you can see it's writing the code itself for the login page. It's a little bit slow. And here you can see now the code has been generated now. So let's run this. Here you can see this is the login page it created. You can further enhance it by giving it again a new prompt, so it will further enhance this code and make it according to what you want it to be. And also one more thing, here you can define the role of this Roo code. For myself, It's like you are a highly skilled software engineer with extensive knowledge in many programming languages, framework, design patterns, and best practices. You can mold it on your own way if you want it to be, but it's good like this. Okay, so this is all for now. If you have any questions, any issues, you can let me know in the comments. Okay, bye bye, take care.